Suck the fuck. I'm not.
Yeah, walk back too close, you ain't even on me. Touch my buttons from way back from the know.
Graduated, I can make a brick lock.
In the description was fitting, they say it's $2. Black chick.
Freestyling gang, what it do? This your boy, Freestyling with Ricky, guys. I am back with another video, guys. I'm back with another banger, guys. We headed to Booty Trap. Guys, I know y'all done seen the video before. I know y'all done been there because I did a video again. But guys, I had to go back to Booty Trap, to the car show, trucking car show. And I just like the vibe, guys. I ain't gonna lie. I just like the vibe. I know a couple of people done seen the video again, but I just like the vibe, guys. The vibe was just cool, man. Also hanging out with my buddy Johnny, and man, it was just a cool vibe, guys. It's a cool vibe. Listen, every time that they have this event, I'm definitely going to go to the show that they have, guys. If y'all go back and look at the video, when the lowrider tore up his video, that was, to me, that was epic. It wasn't epic that he tore it up, but it was dope to see, you know, hydraulics and just see it in person. Because sometimes when you see stuff like that, you see it on TV, you see it on video, you see it on social media, but to actually experience that for the first time, it was dope. So I always like to go back to this event. This is like my second time going to this event today. So we got a little sprinkle when I left the house. Hopefully the rain hold up, guys. So yeah, I'm on my way to it, guys. You can see it's still sunny outside. Yeah, guys, we actually heading out there. I think it started at what? I think it started at 6. So I'm actually on my way, guys. If you're new to the channel, guys, if you're stopping by the channel, guys, make sure y'all guys subscribe, comment, like, guys. Light up the video, guys. Light up the video, guys. Listen, I know a lot of y'all guys watch my videos, guys, but you got to go down to the bottom and give me a thumbs up, guys. Hit the like, guys. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the like, guys. Smash the like, guys. Make sure y'all turn on all post notifications when y'all know videos drop. Also, guys, we hit 1 million views in shorts, guys. Man, listen, I'm so grateful and so happy for that, guys. I actually posted on all my social media platforms, guys. I'm so grateful for the ones that reached out and told me congratulations, guys. You always got to celebrate your wins, everything that you do, guys. So to me, that's a big win because I know people are watching my shorts. So guys, although we got 1 million views on shorts, we're gonna get 1 million subscribers. I'm speaking into the atmosphere, guys. So guess what, guys? When I get there, we're gonna turn up, we're gonna have fun, and I'm gonna give y'all guys some good content. So I check back where I check back with y'all guys in a minute. Let's go.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.